Children, welcome to our social session of 4th class. In this lesson, we have to learn about that last session, the lesson housing and sanitation. In the last session, we have to discuss about that changes in the construction houses. Because of our early days, we have to stay in that houses. It is that built with mud and water. And that after that days we have to know now permanent houses, pakka houses, flats, apartments, skyscrapers. These types of changes are there in the house building, and duplex, bungalows also changes also there. In the past, the mud was used to the main material of the constructing a house. The mud was mixed with the water and make the thick mixture, and that used to make walls, and that roof was made using logs and palm leaves. Walls are coated with dung and decorated with the rangoli. Doors and windows were made using log and fixed on the walls. Nowadays, as the years passed, the mud roofs were added to the houses. They were made by the mixing sand and limestone, lime in mortar. The next mud walls were replaced by the bricks walls, and the roof with the teak wood logs laid with the tiles. Kitchen and bathrooms walls also tiled with the ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles that and the marbles. Mud floors were replaced by the stone floors. Designs of windows and doors and their construction materials changed and improved from logs to metals such as iron, steel. Nowadays we have to, years passed away, the roof was added to the houses. అంటే రూఫ్ అంటే పైన చెత్త పోయడం బంగ్లా లాగా అట్లా. మిక్స్డ్ విత్ ద లైమ్ mortar means the sand and water, lime and cement used to building roof పైన అంతకుముందు కట్టెలతోని గూనె పెంకలు ఇల్లు ఉండే అట్లా కాదు, ఇప్పుడు రూఫ్ వచ్చేసింది విత్ ద సిమెంట్, బ్రిక్స్, శాండ్, వాటర్ మిక్స్డ్ విత్ ద రూఫ్. అండ్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ మడ్ వాల్స్ ఆర్ రీప్లేస్డ్ విత్ బ్రిక్స్. ఇటుకలతోని కట్టడం అయిపోయింది. మట్టితో కట్టే గోడలని రీప్లేస్ ఏమైంది, ఇటుకలు సిమెంట్. And the kitchen and bathroom walls are tiled with ceramic tiles. The bathrooms and what is that, kitchen with built with the ceramic tiles, ante marble tiles, ceramic tiles, they have to replace it. And the designs, windows and doors are their construction materials also changed. Yes, windows and doors also changed. With that, which material they are using to windows and door decorations? They have to give into that iron, steel. They have to use the different types of designs and doors and windows. They use the material of steel and iron. Construction workers with the different skills help them constructing a house. Some workers are skilled in cutting stones and marbles for flooring, while some are skilled in construction, the ceiling. A complex design of house requires many skilled workers. Yes, one house build cheyalante manam different kinds of skills unna workers kavali. Some workers are skilled in their designing floor. Some workers are skilled with their roof designing, and some workers are designed for marble cutting. We have to bring the marbles. They have to cut it in that what type of shape we want. That was, some workers are skilled in their marble cuttings. These different kinds of people who can help in the construction a house. And here the checkpoint is there. I will show to you. Circle the correct answer. What is the correct answer? You should circle. Okay, na? Just I will show. This is, yes. When Ramana was young, he lived in a mud house or brick house. Yes, in early days we have to live in a mud. Then you have to circle the mud one. Ramana was young, he lived in a mud house. Next, with time and mud floor were replaced by wood or stone floors. The construction workers with the different dash work in the construction of a house. Different skills. Yes, different skills workers help in the construction place. This is that here it is. Skills were the correct answer. First one mud, second one store, third one skills. This is the checkpoint over. Next we have to go to the construction of houses. Construction houses, which one? Bricks, cement, wood, concrete, they have to build. We have to learn about that how to make a bricks. This is that clay is collected and mixed with the ash, and water is mixed to the knead it and make it soft. See, I will read the lesson in the textbook, page number 44. You also see the construction of houses. That bricks are one of the main construction materials. The process of making bricks can be described in these steps. The first step is that clay is collected and mixed with the ash, and matti unnu boodhani mix chestaru. And the next step is water is mixed with the knead and to make it soft. They have to mix it with the water. Which one? Ash and clay. Third one, molds are filled with the mud plums and dried in the sun for 2 days. Molds, shape of the molds box will be there, that mixed with the ash and clay. That material will filled with the boxes. Up to 2 days they have to open area, sunlight will be appear, and the place they have to put. Up to which, how many days? Up to 2 days. And next, dried bricks are arranged in the clean in layers and blocked with the firewood and husk for the 30 days. Kneel means the place where blocks or clay are baked. అంటే దాన్ని మంట పెట్టి అన్ని ఇప్పుడు డ్రైడ్ ఎండిన ఇటుకలు ఉంటాయి కదా, అన్నీ ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టేసి గడ్డిని పెట్టి దాన్ని కాల్చుతారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఇటుకల బట్టి దగ్గర కాల్చుతారు. ఇటుకలు కాల్చిన తర్వాత ఆ మట్టితో చేసినవన్నీ స్టోన్ లాగా బలంగా హార్డ్గా రెడీ అయింది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? Dried bricks are arranged in the layers of the block with the firewood and husk for the 30 days. 30 days వరకు అట్లానే ఉంచుతారు కాల్చి. Next, when the bricks are baked, they turn reddish and are ready to be used in the construction. Before baked, the clay bricks are there in black in color. After baking with the 30 days after, the bricks will change it into color, reddish color. That is the reddish color is that we can use to construction to the bricks. That is the first step is clay is collected from the mixed with ash. Next, water is mixed with knead and it make it soft. Third, molds are filled with the mud plums and dried in the sun up to 2 days. After dried bricks are arranged with the lean layer and blacked with the firewood and husk for the 30 days. Next, fifth one last step is that when the bricks are baked in the sun, they turn reddish color and they have to ready to construction a building. These steps are going to prepare the bricks. Next, construction materials. What is that? Construction materials. Which materials we can use by the construction? Bricks, gravel, granite, steel, cement, and different kinds of stones and marbles and tiles. These are the materials we can use to the construction. Next, a pot from bricks, gravel, granite, steel, cement, different kinds of stones, marbles, and tiles are also required to construct a building. All these materials are easily available in Bacteria, Mandal, Andhra Pradesh, and Tanduru and Khammam in Telangana. Construction of houses is long process carried out by skilled construction workers. As usually, construction workers stay near the construction sites and with their families. Yes, apart bricks and they have to, we need the materials of construction. These materials used to construction a building or house. All these materials easily available in Bachrelia Mandal in Andhra Pradesh and Kanduru and Khammam in Telangana. This construct a house we need is a skilled persons like roof skilled persons, workers, tiles workers, bathroom kitchen workers, skilled workers we need. In that time the workers will be stay in the near the construction site and with their families. Up to there after construction is that long process. That is the long process of constructing a site. I will show some pictures to you. You observe that. This is the steps of a brick. This is the first step. This is the second step for arrange the stick bricks. This is the third step. This is the fourth. This is the fifth step. Two bricks are construction materials. How is the bricks are made in the areas. Next, I will show this is the material of building construction materials, cement, gravel, steel, different kinds of stones, granites and marbles, tiles also there. We need these materials to construct a house, and moreover we need the skilled construction workers. In this lesson we have to learn about the different kinds of workers and what are the materials we use in the construct a building. These are that we know in this lesson. Next session we have to learn about that another topic in this lesson. Thank you, Nana.